Dear students, in the last section we have seen Xane and VMware technology. In this section we will see Microsoft Hyper-V, which is a server virtualization. So Hyper-V is an infrastructure virtualization developed by Microsoft. It is developed by Microsoft for server virtualization, and as the name recalls, it uses the hypervisor based approach to hardware virtualization, which uses several techniques to support the guest operating system. The architecture of this Microsoft Hyper-V is this. So Hyper-V supports multiple and concurrent execution of the guest operating system by means of partitions. A partition is completely isolated environment in which an operating system is installed and run. So the figure shows the overview of the architecture of Hyper-V. This Hyper-V takes a control of hardware and host operating system with a special privilege that is called as the parent partition. This parent partition is also called as the root partition, and it is the only one that has direct access to the hardware of the host. It runs the virtualization stack and hosts all the drivers required to configure the guest operating system, and it creates the child partition also through the hypervisor. The parent partition, this is the parent partition. So it executes the host operating system and implement the virtualization stack, and that complements the activity of the hypervisor. The parent partition is also responsible for the one that manages the creation, execution, destruction of child partition, and it does so by means of virtualization infrastructure driver, that is VID, and it uses the VSP, that is virtualization service providers, and it uses the VM bus to communicate with the different childs. So this is about parent partition. Next is child partition. So these are the child partitions. So the child partition are used to host the guest operating system, and it do not have access to the underlying hardware, but their interaction with it is controlled by either the parent partition or by the hypervisor itself. This child partition are used to execute the guest operating system. These are isolated environments that allow secure and controlled execution of the guest. So there are two types of child partitions. See here, enlightened and unenlightened. So there are two types of child partition, and they differ whether the guest operating system is supported by Hyper-V or not. So these are the enlightened and unenlightened partition as shown in the figure. So this is about Microsoft Hyper-V. Thank you so much.